Here come the 2 leaders coming down to the line. It looks like McQueen's going to break Bobby Swift's winning streak. And it looks like it's going to be... It's Bobby Swift for another win here, folks. Yeah, Bobby Swift, my man. Wow, Bobby Swift. I think he's going to be my new favorite racer now. Woohoo! Yeah, woohoo! No! Ugh! How do you keep winning? I don't know. I just have an amazing speed. Unlike you. Wait, Bobby Swift. Why, yes. What can you say about your amazing speed and how you're winning all these races in the Piston Cup season? Well, it's just a little ability that I have, a streak that I've just been coming up with, and I just feel like I've been trying to go good now. Well, congratulations, because you're our 10th race winner here in the Piston Cup season. Wow, thanks. Now, if you excuse me, I gotta get back to training. An amazing information for Bobby Swift right there, saying that he just all of a sudden got this winning streak over Lightning McQueen, a famous professional race car known to be the fastest racer in the West. I think Bobby Swift is the new fastest racer in the West over here, everybody. So tune in this week, tune in next weekend for more Piston Cup action. I can't believe Bobby's all over the news. This is so weird. I mean, he's all over the news everywhere. He's becoming faster than me. I gotta beat him in the other races. Parker Brixton and McQueen neck to neck. I'm gonna beat you. No, I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna let you know for a fact that I'm going to. Whoa, my gosh. What the? Bobby Swift for another win? Are you kidding? Me with Bobby Swift training on the newest cutting-edge simulator, with him being one of the fastest racers ever. These machines created an experience so real for racers. Racers never even have to go down about race talking again. Bobby's ability to hold that line is like nothing we ever seen. It's like nothing we ever seen before. Or 15 in a row? Are you kidding me? Wow. What an amazing racer this guy is. I love this new cutting edge simulator. Yes, I won first place again. No. Oh, 21st win in a row. Wow. Okay, that is absolutely it. What? What do you mean? Bobby's winning way too much. I need to find out some way to beat him. He has 21 wins now. Almost about to be 22 wins. Wow. I've never seen him so fast. After when he's not been racing for 2 months, he's finally gone faster. Hey guys, what you talking about? Oh, hey, it's you, Bobby. I heard somebody's about to break the 22 winning streak. Yep, I've been gotten very, very fast lately. I might even take Lightning McQueen's winning streak for that matter. Yeah, you might be. Ow, McQueen, what was that for? I don't want you here anymore, Bobby. Get out of here. What? Get out of here. You don't belong on the track anymore. What do you mean, McQueen? He belongs on the track double time. He's a racer. Ugh. Is there anybody here that can replace Bobby Swift? Nope. Ugh. Well, I mean, I do know one guy, Daniel Suarez, that can replace him. Wait, do you know where he is? No, I don't. Oh, dang it. Well, still, you don't belong on this track anymore. Bro, I have a winning streak. I can't retire that easily. I'm not going to give it that easy like you are. Like, you come in 3rd, 2nd, and 4th every time. And you even got 7th place one time. Yeah, that's because I was doing terrible that day. Thinking about me losing against you. But yeah, what place did you finish in that day? I think I came in 4th that time. Well, Bobby, just get out of here. No, I'm not. Get out of here. No. Get out of here, I said! No. I'm gonna keep on racing. McQueen, that's... I can't take Bobby anymore. I need to beat him somehow. You know what? I'm gonna go turn on the cutting edge simulator. Wait, McQueen. Well, he's gonna have a bad day. Later at the Rusty's Racing Center. Okay, simulator. Boot it up. Initiating simulator. Okay, sweet. Let's do this. Pass, Parker. Alright, there's Bobby to deal with. Yes! I'm gonna beat him to the line! No! Bobby Swift wins. You come in 2nd place. You finished 2nd place. Bobby Swift, winner, 1st place. That's what you get, McQueen. Dang. Shutting down simulator. Dang, I can't seem to beat him. He's so darn fast. What am I gonna do? To be continued.